Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, John Reese React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for this video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Finland. Oh my god, I'm so excited with this one because I think this is a song that has very powerful message on it. It's about the evacuee. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Evakun Lau, lyrics Finnish English with English translation, and credit also with the owner of the video to Finsick. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes. Oh my god, I really want to hear from you guys in the comment section. What are your thoughts with regards or the story all about this video and even the singer of this song also? Let's get to it and have fun. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React.
You're a superhero.
Enjoy. Evacuee song.
Illalla kun äiti peitti mua nukkumaan, en aavistanut mitä aamu tuopi tullessaan. Yöllä oli metsään tullut julma tykkipatteri, evakoiden tumma rivi tiellä hiljaa vaelsi. Selvään kuului.
Oh my god, the melody, the story, a dark row of evacuees. Oh my goodness, this is like reading the few lines of it, the story of the song. It's really a sad story. Oh my god, I'm so deeply touched with this amazing like a song, and I really like the tonality of it because you can truly feel the emotions. You can truly feel that there is sadness, there is like a dark in this song that people experience. Whew, like my heart is heavy hearing with this one. It's like the melody and the song in itself, it's saying, it's everything. Oh my god. And I really, the background of this, I think, I don't know who's these people are, but let me know at the comment section.
Sodan pauhu rajan pinnassa. Epävarmuus jäyti karjalaisten rinnassa. Martti tunti lähtöaikaa meille silloin annettiin. Naapurimme heinäkärriin kalliit nyytit kannettiin. Häipyi rakkaat mannut sekä kotikujan pää. Sinne kattoin päälle oma taivas länttiä. Kyydeleiden määrä en vain enää ole muistan.
Imagine our land is gone. The Karelians was like weeping. Oh my god. Whew, I just forgotten the amount of tears. I really cannot imagine those people experience this time or those times in the war, how they felt it. Oh my goodness, it really gets me into it. Like when, like, I'm imagining that I was in their foot, I was in their situation, experiencing those war, experiencing those hardship that they face. Whew, how sad it is. I really like to commend the owner of this song, the writer of this song, the singer in itself, because she sing it so beautifully with pure emotions, with such compassion that you truly be in that song and feel the sadness of it, feel the sorrow. Oh my God. Whew. It's like, oh my goodness gracious.
Karjalaisten elon tahtoa ei sota suistanut. Asemalla evakoita junaan lastattiin. Virkamiesten kysymyksiin tarkkaan vastattiin. Eräs äiti sanoi, tässä on mun koko omaisuus. 5 pientä lasta sekä vielä kahvipannu uus. Aamuyöllä pieni veli syntyi junassa. Se oli ryppyinen ja vielä silmät ummessa. Latat toivot taivaan mannaa, kuumaa kauravelliä. Tahtoivat he meitä poloisia vielä helliä.
Oh my God. Whew. Oh my goodness. I really cannot imagine those 5 children. Like, they are waiting with their mother. Whew, it's really crazy. It's really like, it's heart wrenching. The way this song was written is like telling you the story of those people who experienced the Karelians was suffering. I really could not imagine also to this family who lost the lives of their parents, or those parents lost their children. Oh my goodness, and waiting that nothing could come back. Oh, oh my. Oh my God! Why I found this video? Goodness gracious! It breaks my heart. Truly breaks my heart. Oh goodness gracious! It's like the storylines. It telling you that no matter what will happen, you're still finding like place to be there, to be strong. Goodness gracious! It's really heartbreaking.
Kolmen päivän päästä oltiin päätepaikassa.
It's 3 days, oh my
Karjalainen
God.
kansa seisoi huutokaupassa. Isännät kun evakoita sinne kyytiin mättivät. 5 lasta sekä äidin sinne tielle jättivät. Mekin mentiin siitä kunnan taloon asumaan. Vuoden päästä päästiin omaan mökkiin muuttamaan. Kirje tuli isältä, mie pääsen pian siviiliin. Tulikin ja kirkon vie.
Oh, that's beautiful. Imagine for a 5 years, and then a father wrote a letter that I will get off in the army soon, and that's courage. That's still you wanting hope. There is still hope. 3 days that they found like a shelter, and wow, it's truly beautiful written music telling a story. This is just a poetry, a real story, singing with this one, and it's like putting yourself into the time. It's the experience of these people that you truly feel how difficult the experience on this period of time. Whew, I cannot imagine when this family been together, or like unite together. I could not imagine the smile on their faces. Whew, Karelians, like, I know you are very courageous, you are very brave facing those. I know, like, the sorrow to this family who lost the lives of their families. the happiness also to those people who've been united after the experience those war maybe like goodness, it's a really heavy heart. It's this is such a beautiful and very powerful message of this song. Like goodness gracious. Whew.
Sankarhautaan siunattiin.
Oh
Omaa
my.
peltotilkkuaan, kun äiti äesti. Niin uuden elon alkamista kiurut säesti. Mie istuin pienen veljen kanssa siinä pellon laidalla.
Oh my god.
Toin hälle, kuinka kerran
Oh my.
iskarjalla.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. The last line says it all. Like I sat with my brother and see and telling the story about the Karelians. It really broke my heart. Oh my goodness. That's a really beautiful song. It's the sorrow. It's the sadness of it. It might be like, people suffered on those time, but people who lost their lives, the family lost their lives, and like the children lost their mother and father, and still I know for now they understood that things happens for a perfect reasons. It might be sad for others, it might be like until now they are grieving of those things that happened, but still you grow stronger, you grow motivated, you grow like being strong, and that's amazing. Life is meaningful. Life, you have to continue live on no matter the war that you experience. It's just a lesson. It's just a determination that you have to move forward and be strong and continue to pray for your family that been lost. And yeah, I hope guys. And yeah, I will read some little story about this Ivakon Laulao, a song of an evacuee. In the evening, as a mother was lacking me, I could not foresee what would the morning bring with it. A cruel artillery battery had arrived to the forest during the night. A dark row of evacuees quietly wandered down the road. Sound of war roared clearly from near the border and certainly gnawed the hearts of Karelians. We were given a quarter of an hour until departure. We carried our precious bundles to the neighbor's hay wagon, our beloved lands. Imagine their beloved lands. We were just like go out with it because of the war. That's truly. Oh my god. I really have to stop in here, guys, because I could not. I was imagining those people experiences. It's truly heartbreaking. Oh my god. Thank you so much for supporting, and I want to hear from you at the comment section. What are your thoughts of more information about this song, about this video? Put it in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And if you have some comments and suggestion also for my next video reaction, put in your comment section. I would love to read with it, guys. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, John Reese React. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless and see you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys.